Welcome back to one more interesting session of Business Pe Charcha. Today in marketing, we try and understand how to effectively expand our business, keeping the costs under control at a reasonable budget. So let's hear it from our speaker, Mr. Kripanand Chidambaram, Business Head of Mark Creative. We need to go back and implement this, make this promise today.
Hello Kripa, this is Priya. I just introduced you. Initially I was doing my business within the society. Now, as you said that you need to keep in contact with your existing customers, I have done with that, and they have done my referrals also. But how to go for expanding the customers beyond, like for me, beyond my society or beyond my area, to increase my business in low budget, because I have tried with flyers and pamphlets and printouts, but that's really bad luck for me. That's not working.
Okay, got it. एक तो है when you say you're getting in touch with your customers, existing customers, उसमें भी क्या है बहुत important is the messaging. उनको जो mind में ना बार repeat करना है, so there has to be the consistency. What they want to remember about you and what they want to recall about you. That's very important. सिर्फ hi bye मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. So there is something that उसमें आपको थोड़ा pay attention करना ताकि existing customers will start giving you at some point of time. Again, it doesn't happen immediately. ऐसा नहीं कि आज आपने एक message किया तुरंत सब लोग बोल रहे हैं हाँ मुझे ये चाहिए, but anyway that is something you need to always consistently do that. Now when you say you want to expand, so I will give you a second immediate thing, being you're in garment
as of now, yeah,
correct. So इसमें क्या है, you would see most of women are very active in Facebook, are they very active in Instagram. So what you can do, you can have a very small budget, ठीक है, and the budget can be as low as let's say 200 rupees per day, 100 rupees per day, 80 rupees per day, or even 500 rupees per day में आप जैसे मैंने बताया एक बायर पर्सोना क्रिएट करके मेरे ऑडियंस कौन है, उनका इनकम ग्रुप क्या होता है, उनका पर्सनालिटी क्या होता है, उसके हिसाब से वी कैन क्रिएट अ स्मॉल एड एंड ट्राई टू यूज फेसबुक एंड टेल देम शो दिस एड्स टू दोस काइंड ऑफ पीपल, करेक्ट. और अगेन सिर्फ एड दिखाने से नहीं होता है. सो फर्स्ट इज दैट इट हैज टू ग्रैब अटेंशन. Something called as a headline concept. Marketing में क्या होता है, headline concept होता है, and that is true in everywhere. आज न्यूज़पेपर हो ये वो क्यों इतना फेक न्यूज़ आता है या हेडलाइन को लोग मैनिपुलेट क्यों करते हैं, बिकॉज वो दैट इज दैट वन ग्रैब. ये हेडलाइन देख के हम, अगर आप टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया या कोई भी आते हो, हेडलाइन देख के आप वो आर्टिकल क्लिक करोगे. अगर हेडलाइन क्लिक करके आर्टिकल क्लिक करोगे, उसमें उनको एड रेवेन्यूज उसके ऊपर होता है. सो दे वांट टू एंश्योर दैट कि आपका हेडलाइन इज वेरी पावरफुल, वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल, वो इम्पैक्ट आपको क्रिएट करे. तो सेम थिंग. सो व्हेन यू क्रिएट एन एड, इट इज नॉट जस्ट आपने कुछ डाल दिया और लोग इमीडिएटली विल बाय अ प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम यू. वो नहीं होता है. फर्स्ट इज दैट अटेंशन ग्रैब करना पड़ेगा. जैसे आई टोल्ड यू, ओल्ड डेज में पहले आके दे ड्रम्स क्रिएट करते हैं और साउंड क्रिएट करते हैं, तो लोग आके पहले विंडो से देखते हैं या दरवाजे बाहर आके देखते हैं अच्छा क्या है. तो सेम थिंग फर्स्ट यू नीड टू डू. एंड सेकंड इज दैट आपका कम्युनिकेशन क्या, व्हाट इज द प्रोपोजिशन यू आर ट्राइंग टू गेट. इफ यू सेइंग आई एम आल्सो अ साड़ी और आई आल्सो गिव यू सलवार कमीज, or that everybody is trying to do, so that USP has to be brought well. That differentiator factor, how I am able to solve your problem, that is something you need to pay attention. अगर ये दो तीन चीज सही से जा रहा है तो obviously आपको results आना है. But when you spoke about budgets, so as I told you, it can be as low as 80 rupees, 100 rupees a day.
What has happened is my existing customers is contented and they know now everything about my business. When I move out, people are already, and I'm not a prof, I'm from a commerce background. I do know about marketing, but I'm not skilled in marketing.
That's a problem. Your problem ना सबका same है. Many of them have different backgrounds. Marketing, as I told you, it's a different subject, and that's when I think you need to partner with right people, right. आप लोगों को hire करके करोगे ना, I'm sure they can make these things work for you. Don't worry.
Okay, and so Casey, I'll ask you another question which people have registered with us. बहुत लोगों को ना industrial products के लिए now, so just one bit of clarity. So all that you have said also works for industrial product, because अभी भी बहुत सारे industrial manufacturing companies को लगता है marketing is not a cup of tea, it does not work for us. So I would want you to reassure them.
Yeah, I think this point I already covered. So it is for every business, irrespective of size, the industry, the sector, whatever stage of business you are in, it is applicable for everyone. It is just that communication change होता है. और जैसे हमने बोला business persona है, वो completely अलग मेरा persona होगा, मेरा segment niche होगा, मेरा वो तीनों strategies में I will focus more on this. In this case, I will never use Facebook. If it is an industrial product, Facebook मैं effectively use नहीं करूँगा. शायद LinkedIn में मैं ज़्यादा ध्यान दूँगा. Because let's say now I'm focusing on some, let's say, industrial where the plant manager or the plant head is the decision maker. So in this case, maybe I will effectively use LinkedIn और उनके communication में थोड़ा tweak करूँगा. So marketing as a concept is applicable for everywhere. It's just that how you use it to your business need or your target audience is something which you need to pay attention. It can never ever be like a one fit all size. वो वाला बिल्कुल कभी नहीं हो पाएगा.
I think we are coming towards the end of our session, and Business Leadership League wants to be with you in this long journey of yours, where we can, be that guiding, that helping hand that helps you in a lot of areas of your business. Trust me, जो भी areas as a business you are weak in, there is always time for you to upgrade yourself and your team. Invest in yourself, learn from the right people, and the possibility is immense. And all of you, बहुत लोग मुझसे बात करते हैं, बोलते we are waiting to be for things to be normal. This is the new normal. Trust me, this is the new normal. Things normal होने का जो भी wait कर रहे हैं without doing anything, this is the greatest mistake that you can do in your business journey. So get moving, start somewhere, and we are all here to help you. Connect with each other, connect with Business Leadership League, connect with all your fellow business owners, and in times like this, एक ecosystem साथ रह के we can really help each other. So that is what I wanted to say. Thank you, Casey, for coming in. Obviously, बहुत सारी चीजें और भी हैं जो हमें कवर करना है, and we will plan some follow-up sessions because marketing, like I said, is a huge concept. आज तो सिर्फ surface पे हमने scratch किया है. We'll take one topic at a time, and we will very soon communicate to our members and everybody कि इसके बाद क्या series 2 में marketing में क्या लेने वाले हैं. One topic at a time करेंगे so that आप लोग समझो और उसको implement करो. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, टाइम नहीं मिलता करने के लिए, हम रिटेन नहीं करते. So let's go one step at a time. Business is about going right one step at a time. So thank you all of you. Thank you, Casey. Thank you all BLL members. Thank you all the non-members. Please share your details with us. And let's all learn from each other, grow together, aim for the impossible, aspire big, which is our climb.
Glad to be here. BLL. So glad to be part of
BLL.